The other day, I was talking to somebody else who has come up with a helmet which has an air conditioning unit fitted into it. Because you're out,
Right.
especially when you wear helmets and in the construction industry, you're working out in the sun. This unit act, this small unit, it's fitted in it so that the head is kept cool. So you see how technology is also being used in different contexts too. So AI, IoT, whatever other stuff which comes up is being applied quite vigorously or rigorously for the improvement of safety in across various sectors and industries.